Good day all. Trust our day is going well. So in today's class, we're going to be treating two words, and these words are thought and thought. Thought and thought. Now, thought means to think. It is the past tense and the past participle of the verb to think. That's think. Think. I am thinking. To bring back to memory what happened in the past. Or you're trying to think out an idea or a solution. So this is it. Think. So let's go through this table and we're going to understand this topic clearly. Now we have in a simple present, we have every day. What you do every day. You do it, it's a constant thing. So every day I think, present continuous. Now, what is happening now? Now I am thinking. Simple past, yesterday, what has just happened or whatever happened in the past. 2 minutes ago is the past. Yesterday I thought. Already I have thought about a particular thing. Tomorrow I shall think. It's yet to come. Every day I think. Now I am thinking. Yesterday I thought. Already I have thought. Tomorrow I shall think. Or you can say tomorrow I will think about it. Now the next one is taught. Taught means to teach. To teach. Now let's go with this. We have every day I teach. Now I am teaching. I'm actually teaching now. Yesterday I taught. Already I have taught. Tomorrow I shall teach. Or you can say tomorrow I will teach. Now, oftentimes, most of us, we confuse this word with this. Sometimes you could have something like this. You could have I thought you were asleep. I thought you were asleep. Now, this thought means what? To teach. So, is there a connection between teach and, and someone sleeping? So, this is wrong. So, instead of saying this, you say, I thought to think. I thought you were asleep. You were asleep. When I came in, I thought you were asleep. This continues, I thought you were asleep when I came in. It continues. It gives more in the sentence. Still continues. So yesterday I came in, or this afternoon I came in. I thought you were asleep. I thought to think. Do you get? So this I thought has no connection with this sentence. Now, or you could see sometimes people writing this. I thought the class yesterday. Yesterday. I taught the class. Remember, this is to think. It's the past tense of the word think, or the past participle. Now, think. You didn't even say I thought about the class. You're saying I thought the class. This is wrong. So instead of using this, you say I thought. I thought. This is too far. I taught the class. The class yesterday. Yesterday. So this is correct. The one we did earlier on is wrong. So this is correct. So yesterday, I taught the class yesterday. Yesterday I taught the class. Or you can say, I taught the class yesterday. So this is to teach, while this is to think. So let's not put in a sentence where we're supposed to put this one we put this. Or when we're supposed to put this one, we put this. I thought you were best friends. I thought you were friends with her. Do you understand? Or you could say, I thought about what you told me yesterday and I think it's a great idea. I thought about what you told me yesterday and I think it's a great idea. That's for thought. Then for thought, you could say, the lesson the teacher taught us yesterday is the same thing you're about teaching us now. The lesson the teacher taught us yesterday is the same thing you're about teaching us now. So that is what to teach. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel so as to get intimated of the new videos that are to come. Thank you and enjoy your day. Bye.